There's one word that causes a lot of pressure that we don't need, and that word is should. I should say yes. Should feels like pressure, should feels like obligation. But what if you took that little word should and changed it to could? See how this feels differently. I could say yes. Now, all of a sudden, you have options. Let's take it one step further. I choose to, as in, I choose to say yes or no. Now you've moved from pressure with the should, options with the could, to ownership with I choose to. And that's where your power is. We're always at choice. Even on things that don't feel like a choice, you'd always have the option to not choose. So if you decide to do something, tell yourself, I choose to.